Well, I think we can start officially. This is an anniversary, as Fabian told. This is our 10th Neurolaryngology Workshop. How we call this, because this is not only EMG, this is how to understand the disease of immobile larynx or a wrong mobility or disorders of the mobility of the larynx. And we changed over the years the main topics. And for the last years, we found a main faculty consists of Jacopo and Barrett. So, Jacopo, can you please stand up? So he's from UK and Barrett from Vienna. Together with Fabian, Gerhard, Kathleen, and me, we are the main faculty of this course. And every year we change our focus. This year the focus is spasmodic dysphonia. That's why we have in our faculty also a colleague who's just not arrived, Florian Gandor, is a neurologist. You can, yeah, so come to us. This is this year faculty, so we want to welcome also the online participants for this course. Thank you. And this is the local faculty organizing this course. So Fabian from the Jena University and his chief, Professor Continas. And in the middle, my group in Gera with Gerhard, Kathleen, and new from the last months, Dr. Burg from the Gera department. So what is our experience? We are focusing, I personally start with laryngeal tracheal stenosis, and I wondered why if the tracheal stenosis can solve, you can resect that thing, you can put it together. It's a stupid thing, but if you have the problem in the larynx, you got problems if there is not enough mobility. It's much more tricky to learn how to manage this stenosis. Then I focus more on remobilization of the larynx, and so my favorite topic is laryngeal pacing. I'm working on together with the Meta company since 2004. And we also are interested in renovation, selective renovation, plain renovation. And over the time, we had different main topics in this course. So these are a recent publication. You find it on PubMed. And these were the 9 courses before. We start as a training course with the Meta company for laryngeal pacing, and then beginning from 2014, we had a clear focus on neurolaryngology more than only pacing, and we looked on renovation and optogenetic stimulation of the larynx. We had Roger Gromley, the Nestor of the synchynesia here. We learned from the neurologist Alesh about neurostimulation at all and all the body. And so every year we had different topics. This year, the topic is spasmodic dysphonia. And these are you. We have 15 delegates here in the room and 21 online participants from 16 nations. I think this is a great success for our course. And this is the plan for today. We start with a motivation lecture from Jacopo. You have to learn a new language, or you have to learn laryngeal EMG. Why should I do that? You will learn it with this contribution. And then we go hands-on. We divide us, we split in groups, and then you can get your own practical skills. And at the end, we have these contributions with step-by-step case presentation, patient presentation, and then the main lectures. And then I'm very proud to have a neurologist in our round, because we think that spasmodic dysphonia is not a solitary disease of the larynx, so you should look on the human patient at all, and he will open us the eyes to what diagnostics and therapeutic options a neurologist has in this kind of disease. And then we focus on what's happened on the larynx, what we can do right now, and we can learn from Berit the newest insights, what we can do with spasmodic dysphonia patients. That's what we plan for this afternoon, and then we see us this evening. I give you this information at the end again for our social event, and give you more information about how to change dresses tomorrow and so on. Yeah.